If you're a new real estate agent, one of the biggest challenges that you'll discover is actually letting people know that you're a real estate agent. So there are a few things that you can do to work on this and a few exercises that you can do to help you along the way. First off, you want to think of everybody as a potential client and not in a salesy way of going up and asking them, do you want to buy a house? Do you have a house to sell? But more in a way that maybe I can help you, whether it is buying, selling, or renting a house. There's a lot of things that you can do to initiate conversations in a way that doesn't make it seem like you want a sale, even though you might want a sale. One of the things that we like to do is go to the mall and challenge ourselves to talk to 20 random people and let them know that we do real estate. Again, not in a salesy, commission breath type of way, but just in a way that lets them know what it is that we do and how we could potentially help them, whether it not be right now, but in the future, could set you apart from other agents who are typically just waiting for people to come to them while nobody really knows what it is they do. So interacting with people, even if it's in everyday life, like the mall, at a grocery store, a Walmart, laundry, church, can definitely set you apart and keep you at the top of mind for somebody who maybe has been thinking about getting into real estate or purchasing their first home, but doesn't have the resources or doesn't have anybody to actually talk to them. So again, seeing everybody as a potential client, not just for right now, but just in general, can definitely help you stand out from the rest of the crowd who typically just waits for clients to come to them. Even social media is a big way to start putting yourself out there and making yourself more comfortable with real estate. And it can force you to learn things that you might not learn if you never interact with it, if you never put yourself out there and try to engage with an audience that could be looking for their next purchase or could be looking to sell their home. So as a new agent, it's important that you embody real estate and you understand that while yes, this is a new endeavor that you're going into, other people might not necessarily know that. So being confident, having confidence in yourself, and being knowledgeable about the things that you're going to be talking to them can really help. And the only way to do that is to actually do it. So I challenge you to go out and speak to even 10 random people and find a way to inject the fact that you're a real estate agent into the conversation. It could be in the subtlest of ways. The weather's crazy outside right now. Yeah, and I have an open house later. I'm a real estate agent. Even a simple interaction like that could spark something in somebody that they've been thinking about it and they just never got around to it. But here you are, you mentioned it, and now that's a potential client that you can be working with in the future. If you want more information that's going to help you become a better agent, go to dreamselectbootcamp.com, download the app, you won't regret it.